Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you the Blackwing Volume 21. This is a special edition pencil in honor of woodworkers and woodworking. And the cool part about this one is that it has a square barrel so it won't roll. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's open this up. When you look inside the box, you will find 12 different square pencils in this nice, rich brown color. The erasers are black, as is the writing on the barrel of the pencil. And even when I do this, the pencils don't roll. And they don't roll because they're square, which means they won't roll off your table. This is really nice. These pencils hold a firm graphite so you can make a nice line. The sharper the pencil, of course, the finer the line. You can also push harder and make a darker line. It's a nice pencil. I recommend it. I've been using mine. And you might wonder, how does it feel in your hand? Well, it feels like a pencil. So the squareness of it does not bother me at all. I kind of like it. It stays put where I've got it in my fingers. And the edges of the square are rounded enough that it is not uncomfortable to hold. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what is most special about the Blackwing Volume 21. Thank you for watching, and may you make many happy marks.